CIS actually focuses most of our attention on the mining sector. Our main products is haulage equipment. Some of the reasons we looked at automating where work resources are limited.
The first project we identified as being a great fit was our plasma cutting trimming robot, which we did a lot of form pieces that need an extra bit of material cut off afterwards. The main drivers for us were definitely the quality of the cut. It doesn't have to be reworked after we cut it with the robot.
80% of our time was actually spent trying to dress up the cut from a manual cut process. When we analyzed that, we figured that the trimming process on that project alone was about 50 hours for every truck we would do. And going to a robotic application, we worked out that our time would actually be down to 12 hours. After the plasma cutting robots, we actually moved on to the MIG welding, one that would pay dividends just with the sheer fact of volume of work that we do.
So Universal Robots was the first collaborative robot we ever stumbled upon at the FabTech show, and we saw this one robot doing all kinds of things with people standing around it. We liked the idea of being able to work alongside a robot for testing and troubleshooting. It was a very big bonus. We're doing fillet welds right now on truck body, and there's a ton of welding on those. So we are trying to save a ton of work for the welders, and so they can work alongside them and split up the work in half, basically. We're able to grab the welding skid with any forklift and move it to the next piece it needs to work on. So it can really go anywhere in the shop.
We're looking at trying to take some of the risk out of our jobs as well.
The welds are very long and not very ergonomic. The robot doesn't care about ergonomics. The operator can set up the robot and go work on other stuff.
Having some experience now with UR, it doesn't feel daunting moving forward on other initiatives. What we found when we implemented the solution on the shop floor is that the applications were very numerous. So justifying just on a single project was easy. Everything else was gravy.